Hey guys, Mitch Gaming and Vlogs here. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing some Roblox Bee Swarm Simulator. I am decent at this game. This has been a decent simulator so far. Let me collect my free honey. You can only get free honey by joining their group. Defeat 15 ladybugs. Let's go do that. Go bees, attack him. Bye bye ladybug. I'm also going to use an auto clicker in this. This is not sponsored. Wait, what happened to the panda? Are you guys seeing this? What? Jeez. What happened? Wow. Ba, 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 ba. Kill them. Thank you, bees. Save me. What? At least I still got my huns. No, I don't. I just lost all my pollen. My auto clicker. What's that such? Okay. Cancel. Alright. Let me quickly do something, peeps. Thank you. Okay, it is working. See, I'll show you. Not even clicking a thing. Hands are up. I'm just gonna see you. We will now play a different game. Oh, God. Nope. Auto clicker just spazzed me out. I'll be back. What game? Jailbreak. Phantom. Also, guys, go friend me, Mitch4848, and I might sometimes be giving out Robux on my group. The group is We Will Toast Ya. Also, go buy the merch. It's decent merch, but new merch will be coming out. My plan on Fortnite is... Oh, sorry. Wait, watching too much clickbait Fortnite. Anyway, my plan is on this Phantom game is using the SCAR-L, trying to snipe. I know it sounds like a weird strategy, but I'm gonna snipe with the SCAR-L. See if it works. Oh, sorry dudes. I'm gonna have to maybe make a different video. So go like and subscribe, and thank you. This was a weird video. See